Ano yung future pala eh? Okay. Should be religious. Okay. Meaning, basta Bible-based. You can be Catholic, you can be born again, basta Christian. So, para at least wala tayong arguments about religion. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Agree naman siya. And gusto ko yung girl, kailangan talaga. I want someone na who really,
Who loves you?
No.
You don't want her to love you?
She doesn't have to. She has to adore you. Okay. I'm not gonna live with her. Right?
Yeah, but we'll visit every, 3 times a week.
I don't think she's gonna agree to seeing me 3 times a week.
I hope she will.
She won't.
Mom, I think she'll do it for your bags.
Oh,
Oh my God! I'm so sorry.
huwag kang ganyan. Your hands, huwag mo ginagawa. No. Ewan ko sa'yo. Hindi ko na siya magugustuhan kung gusto ka lang niya for my bags.
No, she'll want to go there to see your bags.
No. Let's end this. Ingat na ulo ko. Bags ko? Hello?
Bags or shoes?
No. Hello. That girl will already be the luckiest in the world.
Oh, thank you, Mommy.
No, not because of that. Because her engagement ring will be the engagement ring. No, na binigay ng dad ko sa mom ko.
Swerte naman.
Yeah, engagement. No, it's gonna go to you.
Guys, but I won't give it.
Yeah, you have to give it to her.
No, I want it to be Lola.
Oh, in the museum? No. It's just para it will go talaga.
Ang sweet naman niya kayo.
Lala gave it to me. So it's my prerogative. So it will go to you.
Okay.
Yeah,